Good afternoon, this is Bob Knight. It's the second day of February 2017, and I wanted to talk about a trade I did today on CALA, Calathera Bioscience. And this is the one-year chart on CALA on stocks to trade. It's a great software program put out by Timothy Sykes and his group. You can see that CALA, 20.6 million shares in the float. Average is 500,000 today, but today it traded 1.5 million, corresponds with the big move up. And it did have some news out. They've partnered up with some company. I guess this is their presentation show, so it sparked the interest. So CALA itself, for the last 6 months, building a base, moving its way up, had a high last month, in the 510 range, and then it gaps up. It breaks out and it gaps up and trades from in the $6 range up as high as $7.25. And then the next day it has this inside day on lighter volume, and then it makes a red day but double top 7.25 and on light volume. So it's a good consolidation for it. So I put in an alert on this at 7:20, so in case of watching to see if it breaks out, because it is a strong chart. And I trade normally using the 2-day chart, 5-minute time period, and on this chart I have the 15 EMA exponential moving average and the 5 EMA. So I have this alerted for at 7:20, and of course this morning it goes off because it trades high as 7:25. So I reset the alert at 7:25, and all day long it just trading sideways underneath it, very quiet, no volume. But then my alert goes off here at 7.25, and it doesn't really do anything. 7.25, but then it starts to trade up. And I'm trying to get in at 7.25, and this is the nickel tick, 5-cent spread stock. So it's 7.25 to 30, and then it goes 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 55, and with FOMO and their close cousin Chase, I chase the stock. I get in at 7.45. But you can see that the 15 EMA is moving up, so it's the direction, and the 5 is spreading apart. As this chart develops, this is a strong chart pattern for me because I'm watching it, and you can see that the 5 EMA is very good support, brings very good support for the chart. It does have a little pause in here, but then it spikes up and breaks through the whole dollar, and trades as high as 8.15. Pulls back a bit. 8.20, 8.25, but even though it's it's still holding in there, I sell half my position at 8.15 for no other reason than I just like to take profits on the way up, because as in this candle you can see here, they can correct very, very quickly. So away it goes, and then it breaks above this level here, the 8.25, and it has right near the close, it has this big spike up. So I'm getting ready to sell into this spike, and every time I look to put the order in, it's ticked up another nickel. It just keeps going, so I let it run. But it makes a double top at 8.70, and I sell half my position at 8.65, or the balance of my position 8.65. So the importance of alerts. I did chase it, but it's a strong chart pattern for me. I sell. And then, but this 5 EMA is a good support for it, but I sell half in here just to take profits, and then on the double top I bail on the balance. Anyways, that's my trade. Thanks.